Hello, this is the tutorial video for We Wish You a Merry Christmas. And first things first, this is for all instruments. Even though it says clarinet, trumpet in the side there, I'm going over the clapping and the counting for We Wish You a Merry Christmas. And this would be for anybody who's going to be playing We Wish You a Merry Christmas in symphonic band, either in class or virtually. So we start off here with our time signature. Okay, so looking at our time signature, you see there's a 3 up here. This means that there's only ever going to be 3 beats in a measure. And the 4 underneath there just tells me that the quarter note is what gets the beat. Now, if you're virtual, you are going to be playing every single A line. All right, the A line is the melody. Okay. Now, our first assignment here is going to be for just measures 1 to 8. So that's 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's measure 9. So here's a measure 8. Okay. So 3 beats in every single measure. But if you look over here, you're going to notice there's this one little note by itself, and that's not 3 beats. Well, this is what we call a pickup. Now, a pickup measure starts before measure 1. Okay. What we've done is we've stolen it from the very last measure and we've pasted it up here. What this means in real life is that you count 1, 2, then you play on 3, and then we're here at 1. So to start clapping and counting, because the first thing you do before you do anything is you clap and count. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 1. That's how you start. You say 1, 2, clap on 3, and then we're into measure 1. Okay, so let's look at these eighth notes. Eighth notes are 2 equal sounds inside the beat, and we count them number and. So if I'm here at measure 1, I'm going to be going 1, 2, and 3, and only to 3, because we're in 3, 4 for our time signature. Then here we have just 1, 2, 3. So let's practice this opening together. Clap it with me. It won't work if you're just watching. Clap it with me. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. Now the cool part about being in 3, 4 is that number 1 usually is the heaviest. It's the most important. You put a little bit of extra oomph onto it. 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. I'll slow it down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. Look at the next measure. This is measure 3. Same as measure 1. And then look at this. Same thing. You'll notice that this piece just keeps repeating the same rhythm over and over again. That's pretty awesome. You learn a little bit and you just get to repeat stuff. Okay? And then here we have a little 3 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to erase this 8 here. And here you have your first half note, which is just 2 beats, and then beat 3 that really goes into measure 9. We're going to take a big old breath right here. Okay. Now, how fast does this go? Allegro is Italian for like happy and spirited, and we wish you a Merry Christmas. We should be happy, right? So we're going to take it a little bit quickly. Should you start it quickly? No. You start it the fastest that you can play it perfectly. And right now, I'm not even talking about notes. All we're doing is clapping and counting. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay? Have fun practicing.